Once upon a time, in a vast, azure ocean, there lived a small tern named Tern. Tern was known for his shiny, white feathers and his quick, nimble flights. But Tern was not content, for he had a longing deep within his heart. One day, while soaring above the waves, Tern spotted a gleaming seashell on a distant island. Intrigued, he decided to fly towards it. Upon reaching, he found the shell to be the most beautiful thing he had ever seen. "This is what I've been missing," thought Tern. "I need something more than my flying abilities." He picked up the seashell and flew back to his home, proud of his new possession. But as days passed, Tern found that the seashell brought him no joy. His longing returned, and he realized that he had made a mistake. The seashell was just a shell, and it could never fill the empty space in his heart. One day, an old wise tern named Solomon saw Tern, looking downcast. "What troubles you, young Tern?" he asked. Tern explained his situation, and Solomon said, "True happiness cannot be found in material possessions. It comes from within, from loving and appreciating who you are." Tern felt a sense of understanding wash over him. He thanked Solomon and returned the seashell to the ocean, promising never to seek happiness in things that could not provide it. From that day forward, Tern learned to appreciate his abilities and his life. He realized that true happiness comes from within, and that material possessions are not the key to a fulfilling life. So the moral of this story is, seek happiness within yourself, and appreciate what you already have, for true joy comes from loving and cherishing who you are.